Okay, good morning everybody. Now we are doing our daily routine morning. We are heading to Bukit Jelutong, my office area. It will take us about, with this kind of traffic now, as you can see, maybe about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, you see the traffic in Kuala Lumpur now. Early in the morning, a bit congested. A lot of cars, people heading to work, same like us. But the good thing is that we are only heavy traffic around this area only. Okay, because after we pass by this area, the traffic gonna be smooth because we are contradicting with the normal traffic. Other people is heading to town, to office, but my office is about a little bit outskirts from Kuala Lumpur. Okay, every day we are contra from people. People go west, we go east. Okay. This is typical morning in Kuala Lumpur. Okay. So you can see a lot of cars. People are rushing to office. But the important thing, you must, when you're driving, you're giving signal to either you want to go left or right. This is to avoid any incident that might get a problem to other people. See? A lovely morning, bright day. Hopefully it's not raining today. Just start.
Untuk kembali ke Madinah dan melaporkan tentang tugas yang ia selesaikan.
There are certain areas still in construction. Buildings, high-rise building is being constructed. Okay, if you can see the signboard there, we are heading to highway that can go to Johor Bahru, to JB. Same road we can go to JB, but we have to take a different junction. Okay, this is heading to, on left side heading to Petaling Jaya, Damansara Petaling Jaya. But we sedap. Okay, that's only the place that always congested because going to town area. We are in contra. So in the next 500 meter, we will reach Tol Jalan Duta. This is a famous toll because it is the intersection between north and south highway. Tol Jalan Duta. The toll system in Malaysia is like this. We use either SmartTag, my RFID, or we can use Touch and Go. But I'm using SmartTag. You can see here I don't need to stop to pay. I just show my device and it will auto open the gate. Okay.
This is the device.
Yeah.
This one.
This is the device that we use. Okay. So this road can go to up to Alor-Setar, Kedah, the northern part of Malaysia. And if we go to other junction, it will go to Johor Bahru. That is the southern part of Malaysia. So this highway is actually from south to north. We can use this highway. The total length of this highway, if I'm not mistaken, takes about 600 plus kilometer, maybe 700 from south to north. We in Malaysia, we preserve our environment. If you can see there left and right, even though this is a city center area, we still have trees that we reserve. Okay. The tree is important because it can supply oxygen to us naturally. On the right side, you can see many high-rise building. It's a lovely morning. The weather is nice. There is Malaysian police patrol car on the right side just now. Now we are going to the left area to Johor Bahru. Our route is on the left side. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to go to Alor-Setar or northern part of Malaysia, you just keep straight. Okay, but we have to take a left exit to our office area. Insya-Allah, Bukit Jelutong. There is a restaurant in the middle of the highway, but it is we call it a bridge restaurant. Got restaurant on the bridge for people to take break while traveling far from other location. Okay, now we will start again the congested area. Okay, I will update you again shortly. Okay, see traffic a bit slow now because this is okay, the traffic is still congested. This area, this is normal because people heading to area Damansara, Kota Damansara. There's a lot of office also there. That's why you can see traffic a bit heavy during morning. Okay. You can also see from the signboard there, it shows that this road can go to Johor Bahru, KLIA, the airport, Malaysian airport, largest airport in Malaysia, and Putrajaya. Putrajaya is the administrative for Malaysian government.
Still traffic.
Dari sinar matahari, suara tujuan hidup engkau dan aku bermenicah yang menggoda. Kita berdua bercinta bersama Tuhan.
To show them.
Berita baik untuk semua pendengar Rakita. Korang dah boleh stream secara online di MyTV mana-mana dan juga Audio Plus. Jom layan topik-topik menarik setiap hari bersama penyampai-penyampai Rakita dan layan lagu-lagu terbaik sepanjang hari. Rakita 107.9 kini di MyTV mana-mana dan Audio Plus.
Above there is our LRT. You can see the train. Oh, this is not LRT. This is MRT.
Dengan tetamu istimewa nak bawa
It goes until Putra Height.
dunia subculture indie, music,
If you
rakan muda present.
ride this train from start to end, it will take you about 1 hour journey. About 1 hour. So it covers a very wide area in Kuala Lumpur. Many place for the resident area. It will reach and easy access for people also to come to work in Kuala Lumpur. Reduce traffic congestion. One of the initiative from the Malaysian government.
That's the LRT.
Yeah, on the right side there, you can see. Okay. You see on the right side, there is a train railways. Now we are nearby Subang area. Subang is actually the first Malaysian airport when KLIA is not yet developed, constructed. Subang is our main airport to foreigners who came from other countries to Malaysia. They will arrive at Subang. But Subang, since Kuala Lumpur International Airport is already in operation, Subang is still being used, but a very little airline is using. Most of them are for domestic flight only. Okay, the left side you can see traffic is a bit slow because they are heading to Subang and Kelana Jaya. Subang Jaya and Kelana Jaya. Okay, on our left side, this is Glenmary Golf and Country Club. Okay, it's a lovely golf course, among the best that we have here in Kuala Lumpur. For those who are playing golf, like me myself, I did play, and it's a very lovely course. And the golf course is well maintained, very nice. Okay guys, now we are approaching Bukit Jelutong, where my office is being located. Not far from here. I think less than 5 minutes we will reach our office.
That's building.
Not this building, my office, the other building.
The other building.
Yeah. But one thing you will notice in Malaysia, there are tolls for the highway. This is good because by having toll, there are enough money for the company who operate this highway can use for maintenance, repair all the patches on the road. Okay, we are approaching another toll. Yes, I'm using SmartTech. Okay, I'm using this device. Okay, no need to stop. It will deduct direct to this card. Okay, this is Bukit Jelutong area.
Oh, this is Bila
No,
area.
Bukit Jelutong. Okay, this left area, as you can see, okay, they were developed for build up and then a new condo.
Okay.
Okay, now we almost reach my office. This is Radia Bukit Jelutong, the office area in Bukit Jelutong. The whole building is office. As you can see, a lot of cars being parked. And my office is on the 8th floor. Okay, this is how we approach, because they are using an automated gate, so I need to open my apps. The apps is called Snatch. Okay, this is the apps. Okay, this is the apps that we have, that I have, in order for me to enter this area. So by having this one, you see the camera there, I just need to scan and the gate will open. You see the gate's open already. Okay, so we are going to parking area.
Okay guys, we'll end this
Shop.
vlog.
Yeah.
Okay,
For now.
thank you. Thank you for watching.